There is not one single thing that has ever happened to you or will happen to you that will be wasted. Everything is there showing up to make you more of who you were meant to be.
Hi guys, I hope everyone is having a great day wherever in the world you are. Today is a pretty simple day in my life. We're gonna go to work and then we're gonna go back home. This morning I was feeling for something a little extra than the regular smoothie or just a cup of tea and wanted to chef it up in the kitchen. So on the menu we have fluffy French toast with lavender tea. I know persons would say that you should ensure that breakfast is the most filling meal for the day, so eat something heavy. But to be honest, it's the opposite for me. I would have something light because I will get pretty lethargic if I don't. Yeah, my body is weird like that. So now after I ate breakfast, I'm going to get ready, then hit the road, Jack. It was a pretty decent little shower routine, but I never went into depth because I never gave myself enough wiggle room to just take it easy and cruise to work today. So I got to work at exactly 8:30. And just like that, it was time to go home. Thank you, Jesus. Wasn't in the mood to cook anything, so I got Wendy's before I went home, and before I knew it, I was in the shower washing my hair. For all those ladies who wash their hair with braids, you are the real G, because it is definitely something to get used to. Not to mention to do a whole self-care routine after. Because when I wash my hair, I don't want to do anything. Like, I don't want to do a full skincare routine. But I get it. For some, it's relaxing and distressing, so I understand. The night was not over, so I decided to do a bit of journaling and reading for just a little bit. Then afterwards, I got really tired and just went to sleep. So we're gonna sign off for today, and I hope you guys have a good one. Catch me back in like a few minutes because we're jumping into the next one.
be good for you. You know that I wanna be good for you. I do.
Today feels promising, it feels productive, and I started out the morning with just laying my work clothes out because it helped me to see that I have to do work. I don't know if that happens to anyone else, but I had to do that because sometimes it's just a lot. So we're gonna start with some meditation. It really helped me to guide myself through the day.
I'm just being me. Sometimes we just colliding and we keep on.
And I had to then spruce up my hair because it was long overdue. As you guys saw, I washed it yesterday, so you know, if you keep braising for a little bit, it's gonna look like
We'll be okay, 'cause we got unconditional love. Damn, I don't wanna be mad on you. No, I don't wanna be mad on things you do. But sometimes I need what's best for me. Sometimes I need what's best. Baby, can't you see? Can be there when you weak. No, no, no. Yes, I want you to be.
So getting ready is obviously a must do every morning because you know you have to be in tip-top shape to slay the day. Am I right? So if it's the last thing you do today, I'm going to have a great morning. I'm happy to say that I got productive ticked off, so the rest of the day was just smooth sailing. Don't ask. It was an emotional morning, to say the least. Sometimes you just have to feel for a little while, and that's okay. Just take it slow. Today you find me packing for an Airbnb and just taking some time out of the morning to breathe. And the best way that I know how is to make some loose tea and then get my thoughts out there by journaling. So I took up my journal and my tea, and I went to the patio, plugged in some music, and started.
You're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy. But maybe I should've known. One more drink, just swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind. But nobody said it was easy. Maybe I should've known. I've been out till late, shifting beds, trying to kill the image of you. Got a million stupid reasons not to call. It's just that I want to.
So I have been liking press-on nails for a while now. So I decided to change the nail color before I went to the Airbnb. Then in true cat mom fashion, I had to say bye to my little kitten and then it was on the road for some errands, get some food before I had to check in.
Wasn't my intention. Maybe we should have been friends. So you're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy. But maybe I should have known. One more drink to swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind. But nobody said it was easy. But maybe I should have.
The place was so cozy, so you have to check in next time to see exactly what I'm talking about. So stay awesome, my honeybees, and catch you in the next video. Bye.